Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am, oh my gosh, look at the drawer over here. I gotta fix that, right? That's funny. I'm sorry, I had to fix that. So today I'm unboxing Teeblox. This is a monthly t-shirt subscription. It's $10 month to month. You can prepay and get a discount. The cool thing about Teeblox is, so you go on there and you pick your genre. So they have gamer, they have kawaii, they have science, they have movies, television, basically anything that you're into. If you're into t-shirts with things on them, they have something that you'll like. Definitely. So you go on, you select the genre, you select your size, then you select your gender. I was gonna say gender like I said genre. So anyway, I think this actually has more than one t-shirt. I'm not sure. Like an assortment of their offerings. All right, so we're just gonna pull this baby out. Oops. All right, yeah, there's a couple in here. I have hair on me. Ugh, it's itching. Oh, you don't like it. All right, first we have, I've done this one before. You guys know that. Ooh, is that a long sleeve? Oh my gosh, cool. All right, so now I don't know if you can choose a long sleeve. I am going to link down below in my full review. I'll also link to Teeblox so you can check them out if you're interested. So first off, we have Halloween. Oh my gosh, I should have opened this when I got it, but you know me. So this is a skull, which you guys know I love skulls. What's in there? Is there supposed to be like an image in there? Oh, it's just the different parts of the cranium. Isn't that cool? And it says Halloween on it. This is a medium. I think it's a men's, to be honest. Powered by Shutterstock. I didn't know that. Isn't that cool? So there's that. Then we have this is long sleeve, which I think is awesome. It's just a donut. It says, "Donut worry, be happy," which is so cute, right? I love that. My daughters are gonna love that. All right, so I will take pictures. I'll put them on so you guys can see the fit. I really like that they have long sleeves, but let me see here. There's like a little card inside. So there's a code here. I don't know what that's for. It says thank you. Do I have a coupon code for you guys maybe? Hopefully. That would be great, right? Ashley, thanks for allowing us to share what we'd like to do most. Show and represent your passions through a shirt. Means the world to us. Thank you. I thought there was going to be a coupon code. But that's okay. So those are the two shirts that I got from Teeblox. I really like this subscription. I like that there's such a good variety. Like, and it's separated by genre, so you're not going to get a genre that you don't like. Like, I would never, gaming to me is not that very interesting. So, if it was like a mystery tea, just a random one, and it was gaming, I'd be like, eh. But this is like, you get to pick your genre. And they have fun, cutesy things like that, which is really cool. I'm honestly fonder of this Halloween shirt, just because I feel like it's more my style. But, you know, that's not what it is. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will link down below to Teeblox. I will also link to my full review. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.